In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail accounts step by step and how to manage multiple accounts the right way. This is useful if you want separate inboxes for work, personal use, testing, or organizing different projects. Before we begin, a quick reminder, Google does have security limits, so you may not always be able to create unlimited accounts from the same device, IP address, or phone number. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google signup page where you can create a new Gmail account. Once the page loads, enter your first and last name, then choose a unique Gmail address. Make sure each account uses a different email address and a strong password. If you're creating more than one account, try to keep each login separate and organized so you don't get confused later. After that, Google may ask you to verify your identity. In some cases, you'll need to add a recovery phone number or recovery email address. If this step appears, enter the information requested and continue through the sign-up process. Google uses this to help protect your account and recover access if you ever forget your password. Next, complete any verification steps Google gives you. This may include a code sent to your phone, a confirmation email, or another security check. Follow the prompts carefully and finish the setup until your account is fully created. Once the account is ready, you can sign in to Gmail at mail.google.com. From there, if you want to manage multiple accounts, click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Add Another Account. This lets you switch between Gmail accounts without signing out every time. If you're using Gmail for multiple purposes, this makes it much easier to stay organized and access each inbox quickly. Now, if Google starts limiting account creation attempts, that usually means it's detecting too many signups from the same device, IP address, or phone number. That's a normal security measure, so don't be surprised if you run into a pause or verification block. The best approach is to slow down, make sure each account is legitimate, and always follow Google's sign-up rules. To keep things organized, you can give each account a different purpose, like one for personal email, one for business, and one for testing or subscriptions. That way, when you're signed into multiple accounts, you'll know exactly which one you're using. And that's how you create Gmail accounts and manage multiple logins from one place. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.